Hi guys, Firearm681012 here again, and I'm just here to give you a channel update. I know it's been a while. For the most part, it's the same as last time. I'm sure I've done one of these before. Pull station board, I just did an update on that. It's a whole separate video. I just didn't want to make this video too long. Regular part of the system's the same. BG6 still over there. Did have to make a few changes to that though. But operation's the same, and this little box right here. Alright, quite a few months ago I got this. It's a little, just roll it around. It's like a rolling tool chest. And in here, I have a lot of stuff. Some flashlights. This is actually really convenient for a fire system. Electrical connector assortment kit. Has a bunch of little things in it. You can see here, like the wire tubes I used on the pull station board, and I am planning to use these actually convenient little things here. These you put them in like as a screw onto the wall, and it makes the wires a lot neater. I'm going to use that as a temporary solution because one thing I do need to do is I need to neaten this up. I mean, I'm obviously no professional, like, I guess, electrical engineer, but I can install a fire alarm device, no problem. It's wiring it. I hate cutting into walls. I don't have much patience for cutting through one stud, then to the next one, then to the next one, and then cutting up through the drywall, fishing wires. I don't have much patience for that, or I don't really have the time and equipment either. So, as you can see, like right here, I have a junction box out here like that. It's not too neat. And that's another thing. I want to use some like metal wire tubing or wire mold just to make this look a bit more professional. And since it's just a standalone garage, one fear I have is when I'm in the house and it's 2 in the morning, this system could go off and it could go hours before me knowing it. And one thing I don't want to happen is a neighbor hearing it before me, since there's houses all around me, and them calling the fire department, because I don't want any of this stuff to get like confiscated or anything. So what I want to do is I want to run something off at NAC 3 or NAC 4 with some tubing into the house, and then put like the Wheelock 7002T in there. So at least if it goes off and I'm in the house, I'll know and be able to address it. Another thing I like to do is put an annunciator like the Firelight ANN80 or the Notifier ANN80. They're the same thing, just different brand and color. I guess that pretty much wraps it up. I can't think of anything. Oh yeah, one thing I would just came up in my mind a little while ago before I made this video is, since I have this pull station board and I have the regular system, it's almost like two different things. One thing I would be willing to do is if someone needs an MS-10, I'd be willing to trade that, and I'd add a couple pull stations in there or something. We can discuss that and negotiate it. I would replace this for an MS5 UD and an MS4. I need both. I'm not just gonna trade an MS-10 for an MS5. That'd be stupid. I would be willing to trade it for an MS5 and an MS4 because I could put the MS4 for the regular system. Because I really only need 2 NACs and 4 zones. I'm only using 3 right now. I don't have any plans to expand it, but if I want to, I could. And then MS5 I'd put over here, just for the pull station board. And at least it wouldn't activate the regular system when I use the pull station board like it does now. I would just have like a separate device standing up on the pull station board somewhere. Probably a Spectre Alert or Wheelock device. Another thing I want to do soon is I want to change out these Exceeders. I've only had them up since August, and they're great alarms. I couldn't ask for anything more than a horn strobe or remote strobe, whatever. But I would like to just change them out just for the fun of it with some Gentex devices. 2 Commander 3s down here, one there, and a Commander 4 up in the attic. I have the whole system wired 4-wire for changing stuff around without having to make it too much of a hassle. I guess that wraps it up. Again, just subscribe to me. I'm on Davidson Fire Alarms. It's Fire Alarm 681012, and I have my website, firealarm681012.weebly.com. I also haven't updated that since like November, so I'm going to add some of the new devices on there. And just other little things. Alright, thanks for watching.